Are your pens and pencils just kind of meh? A little bit boring? Did they just get lost in the shuffle? Well, that is all about to change.
That's right, we are giving them a total glow-up. We're going to turn those sleepy writing tools into amazing accessories that just scream personality. So let's get crafting. Okay, so here's the game plan. First, we're going to tackle the boring pen emergency. Then we're jumping into 3 super fun and easy crafts: the sparkly twist and shout toppers, some adorable clay day creations, and the super cuddly fuzzy felt friends. And then we'll wrap it all up. Sound good? Let's do this.
All right, let's get this mission started. It is officially time to begin our rescue operation. No pen will be left behind in the land of blah. This is where all the fun begins.
First up are the twist and shout toppers. Okay, these are perfect to start with because they are so fast, so sparkly, and get this, you don't need any glue. I know, right? How amazing is that? So, what do you need to grab? It is literally so simple. Just a pipe cleaner in your favorite color, the pen you want to save, and maybe a little foam sticker or a fluffy pom-pom if you're feeling extra. Okay, ready? Let's make one. First, just take the top part of your pipe cleaner and bend it into a cool shape, like a heart, a star, whatever you want. Then, hold that shape right at the top of your pen and just wrap the rest of it tightly around the end, kind of like a spiral. Make sure you go around at least 7 times so it's nice and secure.
And hey, want to know a little secret? You can totally take it to the next level. Just glue a tiny pom-pom or a glittery sticker right in the middle of your shape. It adds instant flair and makes it completely one of a kind.
Okay, ready to get your hands a little dirty? Next up, it is Clay Day Creations. If you love to sculpt and want to make your own little 3D characters, this is totally for you. You could make a tiny cupcake, a little mushroom, or even a cute octopus sitting right on top of your pen.
For this little masterpiece, you're going to need some air-dry clay, a tiny piece of plastic wrap, and trust me, you'll see why in a sec, your pen of course, and some acrylic paints for when you're ready to decorate.
Okay, stop. Major heads up here. This step is so important. Before you start sculpting, you have to wrap the end of your pen in a little piece of plastic wrap. This is the magic trick that stops the clay from permanently sticking to your pen. It's the secret to making this whole thing work. All right, let's do this. Start by just kneading a little ball of clay till it gets nice and soft. Then, go for it. Sculpt it into whatever you want. Once you love your design, just gently push the plastic-wrapped pen into the bottom to make a little hole. Give it a tiny wiggle, slide it back out, and then you just have to let it dry completely before you can paint it. And for our third project, get ready to make a brand new bestie. It's time for fuzzy felt friends. These are so soft and cute, and you can make the most adorable little characters. Just imagine a tiny little monster helping you with your math homework.
To make your new little pen pal, you'll need some felt sheets in whatever colors you love, a template, or you can totally just draw your own shape, and then either a needle and thread or a hot glue gun. You pick, and, a pen.
So here's how you do it. First, cut out 2 pieces of felt that are the exact same shape. Then, on one piece, that's going to be the front, add all the cute details, like some eyes and a little smile. Then you just put the 2 pieces together and stitch or glue all the way around the edges. But, and this is so important, make sure you leave the bottom edge open. That makes a little pocket for your pen to slide right into.
And here is one last pro tip for you. If you want your little felt friend to stay on your pen really well, just add a tiny little dot of hot glue inside, right at the top of the pocket before you slide it on. It'll keep it super snug. And that's it, which brings us to the most important part of all. Your pen, your vibe. Because you're the designer here. This whole thing is about taking something ordinary and turning it into a little piece of your awesome personality. So let's do a super quick recap. You've got the twist and shout toppers for that quick and sparkly vibe with pipe cleaners. You've got Clay Day for awesome 3D characters using air-dry clay. And you've got Fuzzy Friends for a soft and cuddly vibe using felt. 3 totally different looks, all totally amazing.
So the only thing left to ask is, which one are you going to make first? Are you feeling sparkly, artsy, or kiddly? Whatever you pick, your stationery is about to get so much more fun. Okay, go have a blast and happy crafting.